on the delivery trail. And guess what? We're going to teach some mangoes. We are going to grab some mango. Summer, summer, summer. But we're in Kingston. We'll go to jail for stealing mangoes in Kingston. But we're here to see the superstar.
Tracy
The
Moet.
superstar, Tracy. We'll have your package for you,
Okay,
as
thank
usual.
you, thank you.
And we'll try to do it as fast as possible.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sure you have something nice to say about us. I don't know. I don't know.
Thank you. Listen, you guys are on time, reliable, and quick. I'm telling you, people, this is one of the best shipping companies, not even one of the best shipping companies that I could tell you my experience with. These guys are like, yo, listen, go to the site, sign up, man.
Yep.
These people are the best, and they also deliver to your house.
Get
So
that?
you don't have to rush. Like if you have something to do, you could just like, yo, I'm at this place, I'm at that place. They'll bring it to you. Trust me. They're cheap, reliable, and on time. Yeah. Islandwide Express, trust me. Island Express, Islandwide actually, because they go everywhere in Jamaica. So
Yes, we do.
Islandwide Express. To me, listen, see, I got my package right now. Safe, secured, and it was brought to me. So yeah, cool.
I
Yeah.
really
And
do
that's
not
coming
have.
from Tracy Moet, okay?
Get that.
Tracy Moet.
I have
So get it.
nothing else to say
Yeah.
about this one.
Yeah.
She laid it out right.
Yeah.
But I understand you're in entertainment, right?
Yeah, I am.
You are.
Yeah.
So what's the stage name or?
Tracy Moet. And
That's it?
Yeah, you can check me out on my all Instagram site. My social media site is still Tracy Moet. TracyMowet. Okay, so yeah, go over there. You see what I'm saying? Cause this is no like I'm trying
Good.
to make stuff up.
Yeah.
If they weren't good, trust me. I don't
Yeah.
know them because man, if you know me, I'll cuss. If it's not good. All right,
So you know it's good.
Yeah,
I can.
so
See, I like the hair though.
Thank you. My
Oh,
signature.
that was for last night.
Yeah, no, it's like a signature hairstyle. that I
Okay,
do,
cool.
'cause I'm not trying to go like what everybody wears. I'm trying to be myself.
Yourself.
Yeah,
Okay,
see
good.
what I'm trying to tell you? I'm trying to be myself.
That's
you,
nice.
You know the type of person I am.
Tracy is.
See
So
that?
there you
I
have
like
it. This is how we do it. She is happy,
Yeah.
and we are elated to serve her all day, every day. Make sure you come and join us because you do not want to miss out on all that Tracy
And the
is getting.
coupons.
And she wants to share.
Crazy. Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah, I got coupons. Yo, listen.
Hit her
I
up.
put them like low, like almost like every week, and I get coupons like
Hit her up.
crazy. I'm telling you.
All right, Tracy. Really appreciate it. And thanks so much again.
Yeah.
See ya. All right?
Yeah.
All right, good. There you have it. There you have it. Tracy is the boss.